Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices, and today I want to speak with you about the situation you might be in. Maybe you just got hurt at work. You don't know exactly what to do. You're worried, well, gosh, if I report the injury, I'm going to lose my job. Or if I'm 2 or 3 weeks into it, my boss tells me he's going to report it to your insurance company, but he hasn't done it yet. I'm sitting out here. I can't go to work. I don't have a check coming in. I don't have medical care. My back, my neck, my hand, my knees not getting any better. And now I'm a month down the road and nobody's done anything for me. And oh gosh, what am I supposed to do? The goal in a workers' compensation case, if everything ran the way it was supposed to be running, would be you report your injury, your boss turns it over to the insurance company, they can do their investigation, which could be up to 21 days, by the way, but that they would get you the medical care that you need and that you would have some idea as to whether or not you were going to get workers' comp benefits coming in, whether or not they were going to provide you with a light-duty job, so that you knew how you were going to continue to get a paycheck. Unfortunately, for many folks, they wait way too long. And they don't right away necessarily call a lawyer. And I realize that folks may be a little nervous about that. But I want you to know that it's very, very important that you do consult with an attorney or know your rights as soon as possible. Because before you blink, you're going to be a month down the road and you're going to be in the hole. You got to pay your mortgage, you got to pay your rent, you got to keep the lights on, you got to pay the food bills, you got to keep your children in clothes, you got to keep the house warm or cold depending upon this time of year. And it's very hard to do when there's no money coming in. Workers' compensation, while it's supposed to move along faster than, say, an automobile case, doesn't always move so quickly. And in order for us to put pressure on the insurance company and help you get the benefits that you need, it's important that you give us a call so that we can move quickly. When you work with our firm, we're going to move things very quickly. You're going to speak with us, we're going to get your claim open, we're going to get your claim filed typically on the day that you call us or the very next day. We're going to get in touch with that insurance adjuster ASAP, and if we don't get any movement on your case in a very short period of time, we're going to ask for a hearing. Even asking for a hearing, though, can put us in court months down the road. So you need to understand that a lot of times if you call a lawyer, and if you call me, we're going to get things going, we're going to get on the phone with that adjuster, and we're going to know very quickly whether they're going to start your TTD benefits up, if you're in desert, if the law allows, whether we're going to get you the doctor that we need to get him, or whether we're going to ask for a hearing. Waiting and waiting and waiting is not going to do you what you need to have happen. I have had many people call me who say, well, my boss said he was going to do this. My boss said she was going to do that. And they never did it. And these folks are now 2 and 3 months into the case, and they've had no money coming in, and needless to say, they're very frustrated. I also had a gentleman call me very recently who had a significant injury, and he wasn't about to wait. He's like, hey, my boss said he was going to call me back. He never did. Boom, I'm calling a lawyer. I need to get medical treatment. I need to know where my next paycheck is coming from. I need to know if my benefits are going to get started. And we got that thing moving for him very quickly. If you're in need of a lawyer to get things moving, to be aggressive on the case, please give me a call so we can get things going for you and hopefully keep the TTD benefits started up or get them going, keep your paycheck going if you get back to work on light duty, and get you to the proper doctors necessary, and potentially down the road get the case settled. I'm at 770-351-0801. I'm more than glad to speak with you about your particular situation. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia workers' compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.